Hi, in front of me is REALME X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and click on Fingerprint, Face and Password. Tap on Add Face, enter your current login method, and read the disclaimer. After that, click Continue. Now you can click on or cancel to raise the wake up feature, but I don't want to do that, so I will just click cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!